Pick any topic from the syllabus depending on your country. As a case study, we're going to use the Maltese syllabus. This video shows a practical example of how to create a resource for Learning Outcome 4. How do our senses help us gather information? Each planet represents a subtopic under Learning Outcome 4, our senses. To create the subtopics, click on Create. The scenario topic should include the main topic. Each subtopic needs to include the various subtopics and the questions. Each subtopic needs to include one question, one correct answer, and at least 3 wrong answers. Include between 3 and 10 subtopics. Save and export it for safekeeping. Choose class and select scenario, and click on Start New Session, Start Game when you're ready. Students can now reach the game session by entering the URL shown in the top right corner. During Phase 1, students are able to select their next subtopic. In this case, students have chosen our senses. In Phase 2, students are shown the result of the vote. In Phase 3, students submit questions about the subtopic. The teacher can accept or reject the question. The more valid questions the students ask, the greater the reward at the end. After the students submit the questions, the teacher can have a short discussion about the subtopic or work on an activity in Phase 4. For example, students can have an activity about smelling different objects and discussing the different types of smell, sweet, fruity, etc. After the activity, students can visit another planet and choose another subtopic. This is denoted by Phase 5, Resolve Subtopic, where students are given some information about noses. The teacher can initiate endgame at any point. In Endgame 1, the students are introduced to the end of the game. In Endgame 2, students are asked to recall information they received from a subtopic in the scenario. In Endgame 3, students see if their answer was correct. Endgame 2 keeps on repeating depending on how many subtopics there are. In Endgame 4, students see the resolution of their encounter. They have managed to beat the haze of confusion by asking questions and answering the questions during the endgame phases. Endgame 5 enables students to acquire stickers with the points they collected and decorate their spaceship together. This fosters teamwork and positively reinforces their learning. Thank you for visiting our website. We hope that you will use the CURIO digital toolkit to make your class more engaging.